Samson and the Gaza Strip. The 16th chapter of the book of Judges opens bluntly.
Then went Samson to Gaza, and saw there an harlot, and went in unto her.
A line that shatters any tidy notion of biblical heroes as consistently virtuous. The text neither softens nor explains the act, forcing readers to face a God-chosen deliverer who knowingly crosses moral lines at the height of his strength. Within Christian thinking about right and wrong, this scene resists easy moral sorting, showing Scripture describing sin plainly without endorsing it. By placing Samson's failure at the center of the story, the passage argues that divine purposes unfold through accountable, broken people, and that goodness is measured not by behavior, but by how judgment and consequence intersect.